The ultra-lightweight field howitzer, UFH, designated M777 in the U.S., was selected to replace the existing inventory of M198,155 mm towed howitzers by a joint U.S. Army, Marine Corps initiative in 1997. The first of 5 EMD systems was delivered in June 2000. A low-rate initial production (LRIP) contract for 94 systems was awarded in November 2002. Operational testing with the USMC, during which nearly 12,000 artillery rounds were fired by 4 production systems, was completed in December 2004. A contract for full-rate production of 495 systems was awarded to BAE Systems in April 2005, and the following month the USMC began fielding the M777 with the 11th Marines Unit at 29 Palms in California. In July 2004, the M777 Howitzer completed a series of airlift tests with the U.S. Marine Corps MV-22 Osprey tiltrotor aircraft. The M777 was carried as an external load for a distance of 69 nanometers during the tests. The first 18 systems were delivered to the U.S. Army's 2nd Battalion, 11th Field Artillery in Hawaii in October 2006. The M777 Howitzer has been developed by BAE Systems Land Systems (RO Defense), formerly the Armaments Group of Vickers Shipbuilding and Engineering Limited, at Barrow-in-Furness. United Defense LP of Pascagoula, Mississippi, is responsible for the final assembly, test and delivery of production systems for the U.S. More than 1,200 M777 howitzers have been ordered by the armed forces of the U.S., Canada, Australia, and India.